We are pleased to show you the 2024 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, lane departure warning, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.